Have you ever just thought that there should be something more that you're receiving? Have you ever thought like you're like, I'm a really good person. I believe that I should be getting more? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you, well, not me, Johnny Boy, cheers, is going to show you exactly how to start attracting the biggest things that you couldn't even imagine at this moment in time into your life. Manifestation on a very advanced scale. So you can start attracting everything that you could ever think of into your life. Tune in, watch to the end, and start to implement and watch things just start radiating to you. Look forward to all your success. Hey, I'm the Viking Marketer, and this is my business partner and fellow founder of Digital Freedom Movement, Kellen Chivy. Since 2017, we went from mechanics busting our knuckles every single day, never getting days off, to unlocking freedom for ourselves and helping thousands of other people just like yourself do the exact same thing. Subscribe and tune in and see how we're creating freedom for thousands of people.
Welcome to frickin' Manifesting with Purpose for Experts. I shot two other videos, intermediate and beginner. So here we go on the expertise of manifesting. So before I get started, let me introduce myself. I'm John Olson, aka Cheers. If you watch the end of this video, your life is going to be changed forever. So let's get into it without further ado. For one, people talk about the law of attraction. They usually, some people are experts in it. Most people are not. They just sit there and speak their law of attraction. If you sit there and kumbaya and do all this, you're gonna have the Lamborghini or $1 million in your bank account within a couple months. Well, that's BS. That's the law of attraction is a secondary law. The primary law is the law of vibration, how you feel. That is the biggest law in the world other than gravity, because otherwise you'd float off like a balloon in this beautiful globe we have without gravity. So yeah, the law of vibration is where everything happens. And all that is a big word for how do you feel. If you feel great about something all the time, you are going to attract that every time. Put in the comments, let me know how this is going so far. I want to hear your feedback, and then I'll critique everything from there. So if you're manifesting something, say you want to, you want the nice cars, you want the beautiful specimens in your life, you have to actually feel good about owning those. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, I will reshoot every video in the world to make you realize how much your feeling actually exists in this world. Because when you feel good about something, it comes easy. If you feel bad about something, you're pushing it away. So what I'm saying is, if you feel bad about money, say you're raised in, root of all evil, money. I've heard that many times in my life. I've heard everything in my life. Well, I had to train myself to actually feel good about having money. And then it just comes easy. Like, it's just like anything. If you hate your job, you don't ever want to go there. You have to force yourself to go there. Just an example. But if you love your job, it comes easy and you don't have to force yourself out of bed. Like myself, I'm a business owner. I don't feel bad about owning a business. I hope that makes sense. Let's keep moving on here. What goals do you have and why are they attainable to you? Why do you want them? I know there's nobody on the other side of this, but It's huge. You got to ask yourself that. That's why I paused. So why do you want what you want in life? Manifestation is all about wanting things and bringing them into your life. So are you willing to go the extra mile to actually get those? Like I said before, you're not going to kumbaya this. This is not something that just happens. It does not fall into your lap. You might, if you play the lottery, you might hit it, but if you don't believe that you'll ever hit it, you're not going to ever hit it. So you have to actually believe in what you're doing. None of this stuff happens by chance. This is all laws of the universe. I'm getting a little deep into this, but this is expert manifestation. Like, you actually have to believe that you are going to achieve. There is no such thing as sit back and relax and let stuff fall in your lap. It's not going to happen. But once you start manifesting at an extra, expert level, all right, put it this way. Your conscious mind is your 6 senses. Sight, smell, touch, whatever. All that. Once you push it into your subconscious mind, it becomes a reality because it's the emotional part of your mind. Once you are emotionally involved in something, you will put in 10 times effort, and that's where manifestation is. I hope that's making sense so far. Let's go. All right. So, if all things are energy, which we are all energy. Like, the skin on my hand is reproducing, I think, like a million times a day. Well, if you take a plastic cup like this, that's the same thing. It's energy. It's conformed into a different product. Just like water becomes steam if you put it at a different energy. Well, that's where manifestation comes in. We're working on wavelengths. So if you're here and you want to get up here, what do you have to do? You have to change your thought process, which puts you in a different energy. So when you're climbing the ladder, it seems like you're always pushing against turbulence because you don't know how to do something. Well, that's exactly right. You have to learn how to do stuff in order to make everything in your life better. Some people are born with a silver spoon in their mouth. That's the worst possible, in my opinion. Worst possible because they never learn anything. You have to keep climbing and building your own life, which is manifestation. Manifest what you want. I don't know. I hope this is all making sense. So, with that being said, all of us, every single human being in the entire world has everything built inside of us to achieve what we want. And it's hands down. You can't tell me different because I've done thousands upon of hours of research on this. So, like myself, I manifested a podcast, I manifested my business, I manifested everything. Because all manifestation is just pushing towards what you actually want to achieve. And people will start showing up in your life that will help you do exactly that. So, hope this all made sense. And till next time, I'm John Olson, aka Cheers. Happy manifesting.